Hey y'all, it's your girl Nisi, and today's video is going to be about my simple pie crust. First, you're going to need flour, cold butter, and you're going to mix that together until it's like a sand-like texture. And then you're going to take your cold ice water, and you're just going to mix it together until it forms into a nice dough. And you're going to add as much ice water as you need to make sure that you can form it. And the fun part is sprinkling the flour on your countertop. And this is also great if you want to get kids involved as well. And this is when you're going to dump your contents from your bowl into your flour countertop, and you're going to roll everything into a ball. And so you can wrap it in your Saran Wrap of your choosing and stick it in the fridge and let it chill for 1 hour, and you're good to go. Thank y'all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, peace, love, and live your life. Smooches.